Well, the last time we went out together was during our first anniversary.
Mm.
We went out, spend time together. It's a really seldom thing we do because of schedule, because we are busy with shoots and endorsements, etc. So at least every now and then we see to it that I at least make effort to have quality time with her. Off
Kayo dalawa lang, parang
Yes.
celebration ninyo.
Yes po.
Saan kayo doon? Pwede mong share mo lang ng konti.
Yan. Kasi may isang hotel po kami dyan malapit sa... Saan ba?
Ayun ba yun yun? Spira.
Ayun. Ayun. Yun po, doon po kasi kami laging... Kumbaga doon po yung safe zone namin dalawa ni Min.
Hindi na ngayon.
So, doon ko po siya lagi dinadala.
Lagi?
Doon mo dinadala si May.
Sa Sofitel po, yes.
Talaga? Sa hospital mo siya malaki.
Saan pa mapunta dito?